Hello everyone, I'm Shuo. Welcome back to 说说 Chinese, 说说中文. In today's video, I will challenge you with 20 super easy English sentences. These 20 English sentences are super easy because all of them include only 2 words, and you use them a lot every day. But if you know how to say them in Chinese, it's another story. So after watching today's video, I want you to leave your result in the comments like this. And if you get more than 10 of them right, you win the challenge. Not too bad, huh? Only need to get half of them right. So, are you ready for the challenge? Let's get started. Number 1. It depends. 看情况。看情况。It literally means I have to see the situation. Number 2. Okay then. Okay then. 那好吧。那好吧。那 in that case, then 好吧 okay, like a reluctant okay. Fine. Okay then. 那好吧 Number 3. Start over. 重新开始。重新开始。重新 again. 开始 start. Say you're trying to say something in your Chinese class, but you feel like, oh, I can do better than this. So you can ask your teacher, for example, 我可以重新开始吗？我可以重新开始吗？ Can I start over? Number 4. Forget it. 算了。算了。If the thing you're trying to say is too complicated and you won't be able to express them, other than using my online courses to practice, you can also just say 算了。算了算了。Forget it. Next one. It works. Please, don't say 他工作. You know it doesn't sound right. If a certain method or a trick works for you, you can say 有用。有用 literally means it's useful. For example, 这个方法很有用。这个方法很有用。And I've also mentioned how to say it doesn't work in this video. Click here or here to watch. Number 6. Go ahead. 这个也要看情况。If a person wants to say something and you say, go ahead, you can say, 说吧。说吧。Or 你说。你说。Or more politely, 请说。请说。And if a person is heading somewhere, you can say, 去吧。去吧 Go ahead. So, 说吧 or 去吧 Number 7. Get out. 出去。出去 Or more rude. 滚。滚 It literally means to roll yourself out. Number 8. Screw you. 去你的。去你的 And you may want to ask, how do you say F you? Please, do you think I'm that kind of teacher who would secretly insert the curse words in her video? I'm not that kind of person. I've made a whole video talking about the Chinese curse words. Click here to watch. Number 9. You okay? 你没事吧？ 你没事吧 or 你还好吗你还好吗 Number 10. Just saying. 随便一说随便一说 or 说说而已说说而已 Put them in a sentence. 我只是随便一说 or 我就是说说而已我只是随便一说我就是说说而已 Number 11. Sounds good. Ha, got you. Because this one is pretty tricky. Of course, you can translate sounds good into 听起来很好 or 听起来不错. But sounds good, sounds great themselves are pretty Western expressions. Let me show you this part of my previous video. You may be surprised that we actually don't say sounds good in Chinese often. If it is in a meeting and somebody proposed a really good idea, you can say, 这个主意还不错。这个主意还不错。Or 这个计划挺好的。这个计划挺好的。And in some less formal situations, say your friend suggests meeting at 10 a.m. tomorrow. You want to say, sounds good. You can say, 好啊。好的。没问题。好啊。好的。没问题。Number 12. I see. 我知道了。我知道了。The "了" at the end shows a change of state. I didn't know a few seconds ago, but I know now. A change of state. 我知道了。I see. Other than 我知道了, you can also say 这样啊。这样啊。It's like this. I see. Next one, we'll see. 再说吧。再说吧 literally means let's talk about it again. Next one, so what? 所以呢？所以呢？然后呢？然后呢？ What's the next? Number 15. Take care. 保重。保重。But 保重 is not a common phrase in Chinese conversation. We only say it when we know that we're not gonna meet each other for a long time. Like we're saying goodbye to our friends at the airport. When we are saying a casual goodbye, the closest phrase to take care is 注意安全. But 注意安全 is more like get home safe. Even during the COVID times, we don't say take care that much. You may say 好好的，好好的 which has a strong indication that something bad has happened to someone and you want them to be well. Number 16. No way. It has different translations. 没门，没门 What you want is impossible by any means. 不行，不行 No can do. 不可能，不可能 It's impossible under no circumstances. 你觉得我会去求他吗？不可能。不是吧？不是吧？It's too random or too good to be true. 我昨天在 Tinder 上和 Justin Bieber 配对了。不是吧？ Number 17. After you, or you first. 你先，你先。More politely, 你先请，你先请。Next one, bless you. Number 19. That's it. Wait, what? Next one. Bless you. Okay. I think I need to explain a little bit more. I didn't say anything because that's exactly how a Chinese person would react when they hear somebody sneezes. They just ignore it and won't say anything. Yeah, that's right. Just hold it and you are doing great. Number 19. That's it. 就这样。就这样。And I have to show you this. 你好，要点什么？
这个，一杯水。
When you finish ordering or you finish what you want to say, you can say 就这样，就这样 or 就这些，就这些 to end the conversation. There are many other ways to end a conversation, which I've explained to you in this video. Last one. Gotta go. 我要走了。我要走了。A great way to end a conversation without giving any specific reasons. 这20个句子你答对了多少呢？请在评论里用这样的形式告。Oh, please, I'm clearly sick. At least you can say something like, Are you okay? And how do you say, Are you okay again? 好的，不开玩笑了。Oh, this is a good one too. 那请在评论里告诉我，你有没有通过这个挑战？那今天的视频就这样了，我要先走了，我们下个视频见吧，拜拜。